Welcome to GitHub Trending repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. We're counting down to number 1. It picked up 1,378 stars in the last 24 hours, so stick around. Number 10, Claude Video, 427 new stars today. Give Claude the ability to watch any video. Downloads, extracts frames, transcribes, hands it all to Claude. Number 9, Hydra, 779 new stars today. Lineage, Fib and Fib, Godortech, hier multiplexer, Tengi en die Sherland, de Zoom to Laxe. Number 8, last 30 days skill, 458 new stars today. AI agent skill that researches any topic across Reddit, X, YouTube, HN, Polymarket, and the web, then synthesizes a grounded report. Number 7, Codex Plugin CC, 906 new stars today. Use Codex from Claude Code to review code or delegate tasks. Number 6, Claude Skills, 600 new stars today. 345 Claude Code skills, agent skills, and plugins for Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, CLI, Cursor, and 8+ coding agents. Number 5, Taste Skill, 458 new stars today. Gives your AI good taste. Stops the AI from generating boring, generic slop. Number 4, Review, 470 new stars today. Turns commodity Wi-Fi signals into real-time spatial intelligence, vital sign monitoring, and presence detection. Number 3, Meetly, 2,494 new stars today. Privacy-first AI meeting assistant with Forex Faster, Parakit/Whisper live transcription, speaker diarization, and Ollama summarization built on Rust. 100% local processing. Number 2, agent skills, 1,112 new stars today. Production-grade engineering skills for AI coding agents. Number 1, system_prompt_leaks, 1,378 new stars today. Extracted system prompts from Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, XAI, Cursor, Copilot, VS Code, Perplexity, and more. Updated regularly.